All right, switching gears here. It is Christmas Eve. Steve,
yes.
what have you
Whoa.
got?
That's a good rhyme right
Wow, Eve, Steve.
That's
wow.
right.
Okay.
How's this week shaping up?
Todd's bringing out the zingers. Looking good. Your drive to Grandma's house, not going to be an issue. I'm a little more concerned, or growing a little more concerned about the drive home, depending on when you leave after Christmas. We'll get to that here in a minute. Live outside right now, downtown Portland, Subaru Portland camera, 52 degrees, cloudy skies. We await the rainfall from the next system on the way in, and the wind is east-southeast, 11 miles per hour. Satellite and radar, that first band coming through the metro area, that's really just being picked up by the radar up in the air, a lot of that not making it to the ground. It's what's behind it that is coming in tonight. It's going to be a wet evening, a lot of scattered showers behind that, but we do have some dry time going into your Christmas Eve tomorrow. Current temperatures right now, 52 in Portland, a lot of 40s and 50s all across the metro. Now,